Hello children, today we will begin with our new chapter Latitudes and Longitudes in Geography. In the earlier chapter we discussed on maps and globes, how the maps and globes were helpful to us, how we can find a place with the help of a globe and a map. In this chapter we will study what are latitudes and longitudes. As you know, our earth is spherical. The ancient geographers continued the search for a suitable system for locating places on the maps or globe. As people began to travel extensively across deserts, mountain ranges, seas, they need to fix their positions. Continued search resulted in the recognition of geographical coordinates as references. Now, what are latitudes? Latitudes are imaginary lines which run from east to west on the surface of a globe. The circular line midway between the North Pole and South Pole is called equator, which is a fixed reference line for latitudes. This line divides the globe into two parts. The part of the globe to the north of the equator is called northern hemisphere, and the part of this circular line is known as southern hemisphere. These imaginary horizontal lines run parallel to each other, so they are also known as parallels of latitudes or parallels. They run in east to west direction. Equator is the longest parallel latitude. All other latitudes are smaller circles parallel to it. They are drawn at an interval of 1 degree. They are measured from the equator 0 degree to 90 degree. Latitudes drawn towards north are represented by N, and the latitudes drawn towards south are represented by S. There are 180 parallels of latitudes, 90 to the north and 90 to the south of equator. Each parallel of latitude is a complete circle. Parallels are equidistant except at the poles, where the distance is a little more than it is near the equator. Latitudes are of unequal length. The equator is the longest latitude, and each circle becomes a smaller ring polewards till the circles are many points H as 90 degree N and 90 degree S. Important latitudes are 0 degree equator, 23.5 degree north, Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree south, Tropic of Capricorn, 66.5 degree north, Arctic Circle, 66.5 degree south, Antarctic Circle, 90 degree N, North Pole, 90 degree S, South Pole. These latitudes divide the world into three heat zones. Rays of the sun reach Earth vertically or almost directly overhead only with the tropics on either side of the equator. These zones are torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. Torrid zone lies between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. As the sun rays fall here vertically, this zone receives the maximum heat. The word torrid means hot. Next is the temperate zone, which lies between the Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle in the north and between the Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere. The word temperate means moderate. This zone has moderate temperature as sun rays slant a little. Is the frigid zone, which lies between the Arctic Circle and North Pole in the northern hemisphere and Antarctic Circle and South Pole in the southern hemisphere. The sun rays fall here at an extreme slant and hardly rise above the horizon. As a result, the region remains cool throughout the year. The meaning of word frigid is cold. Okay, we will continue with the remaining part of the chapter in our next video. Go through the chapter, and if you face any difficulty, you are free to ask me. Okay, bye bye for this video.